Jamaicans are being encouraged to visit a dentist routinely to ensure they are not at risk of oral cancer. Shamala Pullen explains in this week's health report.
Oral cancer is the broad term for cancer that affects the inside of the mouth. While it affects less than 1% of the population, there is still cause for concern.
Any unusual growth in your mouth, anything that, so you can have unexplained pain, in your throat, in your tongue, difficulty in opening and closing your mouth, changes in the color of the tissue in your mouth, where the changes start looking white or looking extra red, or you could have some growth, sometimes a little hair growth on your tongue or on your cheek.
The cause is not fully known, but genetics, among other factors, seem to play a role.
Some of the external factors that can contribute to the development of oral cancer are smoking and drinking. Then there are other things like, exposure to damaging radiation and so on, but smoking definitely has a close association with oral cancer.
Treatment is available, but that depends on the severity or how advanced the cancer is.
Cancerous lesions can be removed. The most important component of all of this is that it is caught early, and hence the importance of your twice per year visit to the dentist. So if they see anything that looks unusual, they can check it out and the appropriate treatment be implemented to prevent the development of cancer, or if cancer already exists, to reduce the likelihood of you dying early.
Chemotherapy and radiotherapy are also used as part of the treatment for oral cancer. With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen, wishing you good health.